Practice reading sentences using can and can't.
Let's use the word can in a sentence. Here are some of the examples. I can climb a tree.
Read it again. I can climb a tree.
I can ride a bike.
Read it again. I can ride a bike.
I can sing a song.
Read it again. I can sing a song.
I can speak English.
Read it again. I can speak English.
He can play the piano.
Read it again. He can play the piano.
She can cook breakfast.
Read it again. She can cook breakfast. I can drive a car.
Let's read. I can drive a car. He can go to sleep now.
Read it again. He can go to sleep now.
She can swim well.
Read it again. She can swim well.
She can read a poem. Read it again.
She can read a poem.
He can cut a tree.
Read it again. He can cut a tree. They can
Play
football.
Read it again. They can play football.
Let's use the word can't in a sentence. Here are some of the examples. You can't run fast.
Read it again. You can't run fast.
I can't play the guitar.
Read it again. I can't play the guitar. I can't play the guitar.
Read it again. I can't play the guitar. I can't read English.
Read it again. I can't read English. She can't clean the room.
Read it again.
She can't clean the room.
He can't swim in the water.
Read it again. He can't swim in the water. She can't dance nicely.
Read it again.
She can't dance nicely. She can't jump very high.
Read it again. She can't jump very high. He can't sleep well.
Read it again. He can't sleep well.
He can't hear the music.
Read it again. He can't hear the music. She can't ride a bike.
Read it again.
She can't ride a bike.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational videos.